friends, today in this episode I am going to share with you a recipe for icing that is vegan, easy and quick to prepare. Friends, let me tell you, if you are preparing this icing in summers, a bowl full of ice is advisable underneath the whipping bowl like this. And since I am preparing this icing in winters, I will not be using the ice for this recipe. The base being used by me for this recipe is Flora vegan fat spread, that is gluten-free as well.
Let me start by taking 3 tablespoons of vegan fat spread. Next, a bit of whisking for about a minute on medium speed. Adding 250 grams of icing sugar in small proportions gradually. Repeating the same process of beating using an electrical beater. Add rest of the icing sugar and start whisking until we get soft peaks. The vegan icing is now ready. Let us decorate our cupcakes. Lastly, the added step of necessary decorations with cupcake toppers and sprinklers. Our birthday cupcakes are ready with vegan icing and decorations.
I hope you liked today's episode. In my next episode, I will be coming up with a recipe for vegan birthday cake and cupcakes on which I have used this icing. So stay connected and please give your views in the comment section below. Another vegan and gluten-free recipe posted by me earlier is available here.